Hello beautiful people, it's Hailey and welcome back to my channel. Today, as you can tell from the title, I'm doing a prom makeup look because prom's coming up where I live at least. It's in April and today's April 2nd, I believe. So, no, it's April 3rd. Anyways, I decided that I would do a prom makeup look. I also am doing makeup appointments for people in like the Middle Tennessee area. If you want to book an appointment, go to my Instagram that I'll leave down below and let's book an appointment and we can meet and it'll be a fun time. I have some appointments already. That's super exciting. I also have a new setup. I don't know if you guys saw on my Instagram story. I got this little ring light with a phone holder because I film with my phone. I'm also ordering a microphone so everything will be more clear. Comment down below what video you want to see me do next so that I can take your, what's it called? Advice? Opinion? Whatever. Also, I'm a sophomore in high school, so I don't have prom. Prom is just for juniors and seniors at my school, unless a junior or senior takes you to prom. And, I mean, I should probably stop blabbering and get on with the video. So, let's go. I'm going to use the Laura Mercier foundation primer. This stuff lasts. I never really see anybody talk about it, but I really like it. So, we're just going to apply that all over my face. And I'm just using my hands because it's so much easier. Also, I just got back from the beach. So my face is peeling just a little bit, if you can see right here and on my nose. So ignore that. Hopefully it doesn't get in the way of the foundation. So now we have like the whole face primed and I have super large pores on my nose and on my chin. We're going to use the Maybelline Baby Skin. I'm almost out of this stuff, but I swear by it. It is a dupe to the Professional. It's been around for a while. I just don't really see people talk about it anymore, so I'm bringing it back. And you literally need the tiniest bit. Like I'm literally taking, I probably won't even use all that. And just apply it to your places so that you have larger pores. We're now going to go on to foundation. I'm using, you guessed it, the Wet n Wild Photo Focus Foundation. I'm a little tanner right now because I just went to the beach. So I think I'm just going to use Buff Bisque. But if I need to, I have Nude Ivory and I can mix them together. There's a hair. I'm just going to take the little spatula and evenly distribute it over my face. I forgot to wet my freaking beauty blender. So I guess I have to use a dry beauty blender because I really am too lazy to go up and put water on it. This is kind of yellow. So I think I'm going to add a little bit of this other color. Oh, I got an itch. I'm going to use a little bit of this Nude Ivory because it's more of a pinky color, just to balance out the yellow tones. Not as much as I usually would. I have a feeling this is going to turn out really bad on my nose. But we're going to hopefully make it work. You just want to kind of like blend it into your hairline so you don't have this weird line, but you also don't want to get it too far into your hairline that you have foundation in your hair. Oh yeah, the areas where I'm peeling are going to be bad. I don't know if you can see, but like right here you can already see the makeup breaking up, and a little bit right here. Also peeling up here. I'm going to put foundation over those peeled areas just to try to conceal them. Now we're going to do concealer, and I'm going to use the Tarte Shape Tape in the color Light Sand. I freaking swear by this stuff. I'm going to put it, it's a little light for me, but I'm going to put it underneath my eyes, on my freaking broken up nose. Maybe this will help. Probably not, but you know. Stay hopeful. On my chin. I'm going to put a little bit more under my eyes. maybe a little on my forehead too. I don't want this stuff to dry. This stuff freaking dries so fast. I'm also putting this on my eyelids, as you can see, just to conceal all the veins. I'm going to use the Laura Mercier. I found that this helps your makeup last the longest, along with the Air Spun, which is like a cheaper version of it. I just love this stuff. I've been using it forever, and I'm just going to bake with it. While that is baking, I guess we're going to go into eyebrows, which I'm going to do off camera, because if I did my eyebrows on camera, even sped up, it would literally take like 10 minutes. Because I always mess up on my eyebrows. But I'll show you what I'm going to use. I'm going to use the Anastasia Dip Brow Pomade in the color Blonde. And I'm just going to use an angled brush with a spoolie at the end and just fill them in. And I'll be back once I fill them in. And there we go. I also took Tarte Shape Tape and I lined them and concealed them, because that's like a crucial step to doing eyebrows. You have to conceal them, because if not, I don't know, they just, concealing them adds like a sharpness to them. So now I'm going to use the Anastasia Brow Gel, because you got to make sure the girls stay on all night. We don't want to end up like Liza Koshy with her eyebrows always coming off. Now we're going to brush off the baking. Still kind of see the peeling. Do you guys see it? Sorry, I'm like looking in the, yeah, you can kind of see the peeling. Besides the peeling where I got burnt, we're looking pretty good. I'm going to take this matte concealer, I don't know what color it's in because it came off, and cover up any pimples I have. I just have one really bad little demon right here. And I like push the product into it because it like warms it up and it just covers it a lot better. Also, I really need to go get my nails done, but I haven't had time, so we just gonna have to deal with it. Now I'm taking this MAC powder in the color Medium Plus and covering up where that little pimple is. Next thing we're gonna do is bronzer. I'm gonna use my NYC Sunny bronzer that has been through hell and back, and I continue to use it because it is still one of my favorite bronzing powders. Now to add more depth to the face, I'm going to use the Anastasia contour kit, and I'm just going to use this color right here. We're going to suck in those cheekbones, girl. Also, a little tip is to take your contour shade and put it underneath your lip so it creates the look of a fuller lip. Let's do some blush. I'm going to use the Stila Convertible Color, whatever cream thing in the color Peony. Dab it. I'm going to take this Real Techniques brush and kind of buff out that color. Now highlighter. I'm going to use the Wet n Wild Mega Glow Highlighting Powder in the color Blossom Glow. I hate using fan brushes. I'm against fan brushes. They do not work. They barely apply any product. So I use a foundation brush, and this is just a flat Morphe foundation brush. It just came in a kit, so it doesn't have a number. I'm going to apply it to the tops of my cheekbones, my nose, my cupid's bow, a little on my chin, and a little on my forehead. Look how pretty she is. She's so pretty. So now that we have that beautiful glow, we're going to go on to the eye, and we've got to prime first. I already concealed all of the veins and everything, but I'm going to go in with the Too Faced Shadow Insurance. This stuff literally makes the biggest difference. Like whenever I forget to put it on, my eyeshadow creases, it looks super bad, so this will be perfect, like dancing, and it's going to get really hot because I have homecoming since I'm a sophomore, and it gets so hot in there, and everybody is sweating, and it is just terrible. Now to the part that everybody's been waiting for, eyes. I have no idea what I'm doing, so we're just going to kind of wing it. I'm going to use the Morphe 350 palette. I'm also going to use the Tartelette Toasted palette. So first we're going to use this light shade right here, just as a base. So next I'm taking this MAC brush. It's a 217 brush, and I'm going to take this color right here. It's like a light brown, and put it into my crease as my transition shade. It's a very light transition shade. We don't want anything too heavy right now because we're going to build it up. So the next color we're going to take is this color right here, and I'm going to kind of buff it from the outer V into the crease just very lightly. And I'm going to come in, I'm sorry for the peeling right here, but I'm going to come in a little closer so you guys can see better. I'm going to take this super dark brown color and buff it from the outer V in. This is about to be super dark, so again, sorry for all the peeling, but I can't help it. I'm going to use the color Fireside from the Toasted palette and apply it to add more of like a purpley kind of tint to it. I'm going to take the color Latte from the Tartelette Toasted palette and help blend out that darker shade. Now under the eyes, to spice it up a little bit, we're going to take the color Crackle. It's kind of a dark shimmery shade, just to make things interesting. And I'm going to apply that under the eye. Now to highlight a little bit, I'm going to take the color S'more and put it on the inner corners and brow bone. So now we're going to do something a little different. I'm going to take some lash glue, which I don't have any of the Too Faced glitter glue, so I'm just going to use lash glue, and I'm going to put it kind of on, I'm not going to use my finger. I'm going to use the Morphe M250-1 brush, and I'm going to take some on this brush and put it on the inner part of my waterline, and we're going to put some glitter. And I'm going to take the NYX glitter. You can use whatever glitter you want. I just know this one will go really well with the look. That just adds something really fun and different, and if you have sparkles on your dress, then it works out perfectly. Now I'm going to apply eyeliner, and I'm going to use the L'Oreal Telescopic Eyeliner, and I'm just going to do a simple wing. So now something kind of like this. Your wings don't have to be absolutely perfect. Mine aren't perfect. I kind of messed up over here, as you can see. But we're going to put falsies on, so if you messed up a little bit, then the falsies will cover it up. I'm just going to use this Tarte eyelash curler and curl my eyelashes. I'm now going to take the Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara and apply it to my lashes. I'm now going to take Lily Lashes in the style Goddess, because I feel like these aren't too dramatic, but they're not too everyday. And I'm just going to use the Duo Lash Glue. This is just, it just closed on me. This is just the clear one, and I'm going to apply them. Now to make sure my natural lashes are blended with my fake lashes, I'm just going to take the Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara and blend them together. I'm going to use this NARS Velvet Matte Lip Pencil in the color Cruella. I got it in like one of those birthday Sephora things, and it is so freaking pretty. So I'm just going to put that on. Just because we have a neutral eye with a little bit of shimmer, we want a bold lip. Now to clean up the edges a little bit, because I didn't put on a lip liner, I'm just going to take some Tarte Shape Tape and fix up the edges. So your final look should look something like this. Other than, you know, your face probably isn't peeling, which I'm really sorry about that, guys. It was really annoying to me, but I really wanted to get a video out for you guys and film. And I knew prom season was here, so I wanted to do a prom look, and I was not letting my little sunburn peel get in the way. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Like it down below. Subscribe if you haven't already for more videos from me. Comment down below any ideas you have for me. They can be hauls, a look that you want, a review on something, and go check out my social medias down below. I have my Instagram, Poshmark, Twitter, all down below, and give me a follow, and I will see you guys in my next video. Love you guys.